Welcome to an example on looking at a parabola. This is a parabola. It's a U shape. We call it a parabola officially in mathematics. It's graphed below, and our job here is to identify its vertex, its axis of symmetry, and state if it opens upwards or downwards. Okay, well, let's start with the vertex, which they're asking about down here. This right here is the vertex. So the vertex it's the center of the problem. What's the coordinates of that point? That is back 1, down 3, isn't it? So that would be the vertex right here, back 1, down 3. It's a point. It's that point in the center of the U shape of the parabola. And then next they ask for the axis of symmetry. Symmetry means same. So we're talking about the line that splits it. So that would be this line right there. That is the axis of symmetry. Because it goes right through the middle of that U shape. So it splits it. So symmetry means same. Symmetrical means to look the same. So it's the same. The U shape is the same on both sides of that axis of symmetry. It splits the parabola. So what's the equation? They want the equation. So the equation for that axis of symmetry, well, it hits this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. It hits the x-axis right here at -1. So whenever a line is perfectly vertical or perfectly flat, horizontal, it only has one letter in its equation. So this would just be x equals -1. It just goes through the x-axis at -1. It doesn't have y in the equation at all because it's perfectly straight up and down. A line that's perfectly sideways, like this right here, oops, I kind of missed. Let me try that again. Say you had a line that went sideways right through 2. That would be y equals 2. Because it goes through the y-axis, that would be going through the y-axis at a height of 2. So again, a line that's perfectly straight up and down or perfectly sideways only has one letter. See how that would only have y, and our equation only has x. So that's the deal with those. Let me erase all that because that's really not our question. Okay, so final question, does the parabola open up or down? I think that's pretty clear. The parabola goes upwards. The U shape, the arrows on the U shape go upwards on that one. So the basics of a parabola.